cool cats and kittens? Miss Nicole here at the Tropical Forest Botanical Garden Courtyard for another virtual story time. And you guessed it, today's theme is cats. Today we're going to read Grumpy Cat. Let's find out why this kitty cat is so grumpy. Once there was a cat who lived all alone. He ate on his own, he slept on his own, he spent every day alone. He would sit between the trash cans and look very, very grumpy. So here he is. He looks grumpy. At night, other cats in the neighborhood would meet and play together. Cat wanted to join in, but he just didn't know how. The other cats didn't ask him because they thought he was a grumpy cat, but really, he was a lonely cat. One night, everything changed. There was a terrible thunderstorm that crashed and shook the ground. Cat looked for shelter from the storm, but there wasn't any. Poor Cat got wetter, colder, soggier, and even grumpier than before. Look at Grumpy Cat getting all wet in the rain. Then, suddenly, out of nowhere, there came a meow. Cat looked down, and there, between his paws, was a little orange kitten. Kitten was as wet and as cold and soggy as Cat. Meow, said Kitten. Give me your best meow. Meow. Cat didn't know what to do. So here's our little orange kitten sitting between Grumpy Cat's paws. The rain stopped. Kitten meowed again. She thought she had found a friend. But Cat just glared at Kitten and walked away. Kitten followed Cat. She rolled on her back and showed her belly. She wiggled her tail under Cat's nose. She tried to catch Cat's tail. She just wanted to be friendly. But Cat still looked grumpy. Cat tried his best to lose Kitten by balancing on a high picket fence. But Kitten was right behind him. Cat thought he had finally lost Kitten by climbing a tall tree. Then Cat heard a meow. Slowly and grumpily, Cat turned around. There at the foot of the tree was Kitten. Looks like Grumpy Cat can't lose this little kitten. Kitten followed Cat up the tree. She tried to reach him by balancing on the thinnest of branches. Here she is trying to balance. Then Kitten slipped. Quick as a flash, Cat leaped over and took Kitten gently by the scruff of her neck and carried her down the tree to safety. Once they were on the ground, Cat licked Kitten to make sure she felt safe. Look, Grumpy Cat saved the little kitten. Kitten meowed. She was happy and hungry. Cat dashed off. Where do we think he's going? But soon returned with a surprise, a great big fresh fish, as big as Kitten. Cat and Kitten ate until their bellies were full. Cat and Kitten cuddled up for a snooze. They had each found a friend, and Cat was never grumpy again. Well, almost never. So this is a great story. I love how he was grumpy in the beginning, but then he met his new friend, the kitten. So for today's craft, we're going to make our own kitty cat ear headband. So this is very simple. You can find the tutorial in our Google Classroom. What you're going to do is cut two 1-inch strips of paper. You're gonna glue those together. You're gonna cut out triangle-shaped ears, and you can decorate them however you'd like. And you're going to glue them to the back of the band. And once you glue the band as a circle, you've got a nice cool headband. Meow. For today's activity, we have a cat puzzle. So we have several body parts of the cat. We have the bodies, the tails, the faces, and paws. And you get to combine them all. You can either match the correct cat or you can build your own cat. So let's check it out. So here we have 3 different bodies. We have one that's a brown cat, a black cat, and an orange cat. So let's try to build the orange cat. So we need to find the orange face. Not this one, not this one. Here we go. How about we add some ears? Got the orange ears to add. Then we can add some paws. We could add brown, orange, or black. Let's do the orange one so he matches. And last but not least, he needs a tail. So let's use the orange tail. So you can have some fun. You can mix and match different faces, different ears, and different tails. So you can make your own unique cat, or you can match the puzzles together. This can also be found on our Google Classroom with this video. We hope all you cool cats and kittens loved our Grumpy Cat themed story today, and join us next week for another virtual story time.